Hello boys and girls, ladies and germs, as Tim Ferriss would say. So let's get straight to the action. I see a lot of questions on the internet regarding the Capcut templates on PC, on Windows. People cannot seem to be able to find them. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they went missing. You see a lot of searches on Google regarding that, and sometimes the solution is really not given in those videos or in the different articles. So let's get straight to the solution here. So let's open the Capcut. There could be several reasons why you don't have templates. For example, I am now opening the Capcut. And as you can see from the left hand side here, I should be able to have templates tab. I don't have it. There could be two reasons for that, or several reasons. One is that you don't have the latest or some of the latest versions of the Capcut. So versions from 4.5 or 4.8, they do have templates. And now we are on the version 5 point something more. The second version, which is happening here with my problem, is the location. So in many locations you will not be able to have the templates. So you can open different VPNs. I'm using NordVPN here, and I'm not in any way affiliated. For example, in most of the times, actually always in United States, you will have your templates. So let's open the Capcut once more. Okay, and now sometimes you will see the templates tab at first here on the left hand side, and sometimes not. What you need to do is, for example, create a project here and then wait just a couple of seconds. Okay, now close that project, and now the template should be here, and they are. As you can see on the left hand side, you have many hundreds of different templates, for you, memes, intro, outro, for vlogs, for TikTok, for whatever. For example, intro templates are very good. Let's see this one, for example, unboxing and review. For example, let's see this one for Merry Christmas. And a lot of different intros, for example. Let's try to use this one. You just click use templates, Capcut will download it, and then you can play with it, insert your videos or your pictures, and you can do whatever you like with that template. And let's play it. Okay, it's a pretty nice template, but you can customize it as you like. And as I said, there are hundreds of templates. So two things to make mark here is that location. If you are, for example, in Austria or maybe in Spain, perhaps you will not have the templates. Then you need to connect to the United States, and for sure you will be able to see templates. And the other reason could be that your version is very, very old and you don't have the access to templates in the Capcut in PC and in Windows. So there you have it. Quick and easy solution to find your templates in Capcut. Have a good day.